hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the coast, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the code. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the coast, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the code. Yeah, arigato. Yeah, Hearts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino, price don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes.
Hello. Mic test. Everybody, welcome guys. Great to see you guys back. Everybody, how's it going? Great to see you guys. Thank you, everybody. We'll start in about a few minutes, guys. All right, so wow, what a flush here today. What a flush. Atex, what is going on? Yopi, Lilesh, Booker, Knob, Polive, Wire. Yes, there we go. Holy mochaccino. New Brienne, what is up? Yeah, so we had an MSTR earning, and that wasn't very good. So it looks like S&P down quite a lot, over 1%. Nasdaq down about what was it, 1.5%? Yeah, so it's a pretty aggressive sell-off. Could be the start of a bigger correction in the market, guys. Yeah, you guys gonna see my face in a few minutes. Wow, so we had a pretty nasty pullback here on Microsoft. There's quite a few. Salesforce pulling back, Oracle, Tesla, everything just pulling back. That's on top of that. We got Amazon pulling back as well. Pretty nasty, everybody. And of course, we do not want to miss crypto. BTC falling pretty sharply here. We are definitely in a risk-off environment. So I don't know how it's gonna play out, guys. It's gonna get very exciting here in the next few days, and see how it kind of turns tomorrow, which will be the last trading day of the week as well. So yeah, so there's definitely a lot of problems. Like, you know, this morning I was kind of talking about the weak labor, right? We got a labor data that came out and it was kind of weak. And then does that really mean that we are going to have, what do you call this, rate cuts in the upcoming meeting? Probably not just yet. They'll probably increase though from 9% to I think 22%, but even then it's still small. So we gotta have a further continuation of weaker labor, right? In order to boost some confidence in the rate cuts. And the rate cuts, the bigger problem is the rate cuts would mean usually good for the market. The problem is the rate cuts is in front of the market meaning the economy being weak. Plus on top of that, the labor market becoming weak. So that's not good for the market, right? So let's see what happens, guys. We've got a few minutes, of course, today. In about 8 more minutes, guys, we got Globex starting. StockTiger is here, everyone. Welcome to the house. What is going on, Montgomery, Paolo, Santos, DYC, Dennis? I don't know if I want to get money today. Today is the kind of a day you want to be a little conservative in your trades. See how it goes, guys. It's gonna get pretty interesting for sure. Yeah, so obviously the micro strategy really dumped pretty hard. Let me just take a look and see what it's sitting at right now. Yeah, but the thing is though, we only got about 2%, but we did tank about 18% during the intraday, and after hour it tanked another 2%, so we are down. So it's at $105. I really wonder where it's gonna go. It's definitely gonna get pretty interesting here. I would say the major level of support is gonna be in that $85 to $75. If that cracks, I don't know, man. This thing could just boom, all the way down. You're gonna find out pretty soon here, guys. It may not take very long. We'll see what happens, guys. In one day, we lose $22, 18%. Pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. So of course the Bitcoin is kind of putting that selling pressure on the MSTR. So yeah, it was a broader sell-off. I mean, it wasn't as bad on the Dow, but I mean overall though it was just not looking very good, guys. I mean, we had a pretty nasty, obviously everything was just pulling back here today, right? So the gold, silver, everything just put all the way down, guys. The gold sitting at 47, GLD sitting at 441, silver at 20% down, $71 right now, guys. Are we gonna see silver back to earth again at over $50? So yeah, man, I mean, today's the kind of a day we probably would have been a bad day for most, but I did kind of notice we also had a lot of traders do really well today, right? Even on our Discord, by the way. Oh, I'll share my Discord link. We had a lot of traders do really well today. Not surprising, but I mean, it was a tough market overall. It was a tough market. Yeah, the earnings was bad too. So Amazon, well, tough. So we had everything just pulled back, guys. The VIX at $22 now. The VIX at $22. The risk definitely is off. We are in a bit of a risk off environment now. So we'll see how this thing plays out. The Bitcoin at $63, guys. We just ended up pulling back into those levels that we just talked about. We are pretty close to another yet big level, $60,000. You gotta hold this, man. We really have to kind of hold this. So I don't know if this is going to be a start of a bigger correction in the Bitcoin. I mean, I would imagine it is. Are we gonna dip into the $50? Oh man, we could get it down to $50. $50 meaning 50,000. Yeah, 50,000, guys. Incredible. Justin right in the house, man. What up? Sean Hayes on the house. NQ is going to be 7 to 10% correction probably. Yeah, so it's a lot of problems, guys. I think we are starting to see some structural break, right, in the market now. So And the MSTR did not make anything better here today, so it's gonna get I think it's gonna be a wild next few days. I don't think it's gonna be a quite choppy 5 points range today during Globex. I think even though it's a Globex, I think the market will move. I just don't know which direction it's gonna go. Right now everything looks just very bearish, but we may get a little bit of a decade bounce though. We may get a little bit of a decade bounce though. We get a little bit of decade bounce, right? I mean, we did end up getting a little bit of a bounce. Oh, I'm looking at the gold, but we did end up getting a little bit of a bounce. But look at that, guys, on a 30-minute chart, absolutely destroyed. My day was great. I really kind of respected well, my discipline right today was, I think, pretty good. The only mistake that I've done was I ended up blowing 2 funded accounts by trading NQ instead of trading MNQ. That's the only problem that I had. I make just too many silly mistakes like that, you know what I mean? Like, it's I thought it was 2, I thought it was 3 micro, but it ended up being 3 mini contracts. Making mistakes like that, I mean, not as much, but I've got to get better at it. But overall, I think it was a good day for me. I kind of took it a little slow, you know. I kind of try to be in that 3 to 4 micro range, and I did that, right? So I think all the earnings are kind of behind us now. We don't have any earnings, right? So it's gonna get we don't have any earnings now. It's really all down to, I would say, I don't know. It's gonna get wild, guys. It's gonna get wild. I'm not looking forward to tonight for sure. As much as I'd love to go aggressive, but I'm not. Yeah, we got two more minutes, guys, for Globex. I really wonder where it's gonna go, in which direction it's gonna go. We'll see. Let's try to see if we can actually get above. Let's see if we get a little bit of breaking the structure on a 1 minute chart, guys. I mean, pretty straightforward, nothing really too complicated, right? I want to kind of try to see if we can actually get above. I want to see if we can get above 500, guys. If we get a bounce over 500, then we have a good chance of maybe a small little decade bounce between now through, I guess, a little bit later today. So I'm going to be looking for the 500 area, guys. Pretty straightforward. I don't kind of expect to see a lot of patterns here today. It's going to be pretty choppy, but choppy in a like 50, 60, 70 points range maybe. We'll see, guys. On the left hand side, it's the 1 minute chart. On the right hand side, it's a 30-minute chart. We'll see how it goes. All right, the market opened. Well, we got 30 more seconds, guys. Hey, how's it going? M Brown, what is up, man? Thanks for being here. Nova Tail.
The market is open.
All right, so the market did open. Let's see, 426, guys. Again, I like this. Oh man, holy mochaccino. But no, I never said I'm going long. I never said I'm going long. I just said if we get above 500 and if that level holds, then we could be looking for long trade. But again, we're right now at 450 now. We are right now at 450, so wow. Guys, man, 200 points.
Lost.
I may, well, all right, let's keep an eye on this. I may try to short this on a pop and see how it kind of goes. God, this chart of it, it's really hard to kind of draw your obviously your chart. So I'm just gonna be using my price action. We'll Wow, we are pulling back here, guys. We got a rejection of that 450. And this is on a 1 minute chart. Let's just take it back to 30 minutes. You see how this drawings keep moving as you move the time frames? I hate it so much.
Order
filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'll try to long here.
Order submitted.
And look for the initial low. Look for the initial low to be actually, you know what? I lied. I'm gonna place it at stop, break even, guys. Break even stop here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
With 3 micro.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order
All right,
filled.
there we go.
Order canceled. Order
All right,
submitted.
guys, I went long. The target to be 480, guys. 480 my target. 480 is my target. Yes. Placing my stop at the break even, guys. Thank you everybody for being here. Market needs a rate cut. I don't know if that's really gonna change anything, to be honest. I mean, the market, well, drop in the rate cut in front of good economy. I don't see any cracks in the economy though. I don't think so. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how much of a rate cut is going to make a difference to the overall market right now. We are just literally risk off environment. Everybody, welcome guys. Welcome. Yeah, I'm gonna start the entries here. Just give me 1 minute for Funding Futures Network. It's up to you guys. You guys want to do Take Profit Trader giveaway, or do you want to do, well, Take Profit Trader is gonna be a 25K account with no activation, or do you guys want to do Funding Futures Network 50K account? Let's do a little poll, guys. I want to find out what you guys want to do. I'll leave it in your good hands.
Order filled.
Order
Oh, we
filled.
can do both. Yeah. Oh my god. All right, guys. Nice little play there. Nice little play. I'm gonna try to hold this, guys. One last piece here.
Order
Oh, I'm gonna
canceled.
exit that trade, guys.
Order filled.
I'm gonna exit that trade.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hold on, guys. I haven't started yet. I was supposed to do something. 1 second. There we go. 1 second, everyone. All right, I exited my trade, and then of course I ended up. So it depends on what you guys want to do. I'm gonna do a little poll. Let's try to find out what you guys want to do. All right, let's do a little poll and let me know, guys, what you guys prefer it to be. Justin, right? I mean, it doesn't really affect me at all because I feel bad for traders doing really well with metals, right? I mean, silver and gold. But for me, I mean, honestly, I mean, it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, it's up to the firms, right? But I mean, yes, I'm against firms restricting instruments, right? But for me personally, though, it doesn't really that matter too much. I don't know if more traders lose, so I'm kind of thinking maybe that's the case. But I mean, I'm a big loser trading metals. Like we know it. Like everybody, the whole entire world knows. So we know, and I've been telling you guys, I've been pretty much getting destroyed by silver in the last couple weeks, and that really destroyed a lot of my executions along the way. And gold was technically not any better 6 months ago for me, so I don't know. But I don't know if a lot of traders are actually not doing good. I'm not sure. I mean, maybe it is, I don't know. But I also see a lot of traders doing really well with the gold and the silver, so I don't know. It's hard to say. So I guess really depends on the firm. So all right, so guys, man, let me know what you guys. Let me just take a look at the poll. So we got more traders asking for Take Profit Trader 25K account. I will close the poll at 100 votes. So we'll see. Let's get to 100 votes and decide what it's gonna be. Kason, that's StockTiger. Yo, everybody, StockTiger. That's me, man. What are you talking about? Whatever the firms do to stay alive, I mean, yeah, I mean, small little adjustments, I guess it's okay. Right? Small little adjustments. At the end of the day, we've got to have firms, right? So we can trade the prop firm. If they are not there anymore, I guess we're not there anymore too, right? So guys, I think it's pretty close to 100 votes. I just need 7 more votes to let me know what you guys prefer it to be. Yeah, we got a lot more Take Profit Trader. Yeah, it looks like we got 100 votes now, guys, in favor of Take Profit Trader. All right, so Take Profit Trader 25K account, and that's what it's gonna be. All right, guys, I'm setting it up right now. Just bear with me. So it is going to be Take Profit Trader 25K account. I hope y'all will. Yeah, let's call out the winner. I mean, guys, man, we got over 500 to 600 viewers consistently, so let's try to get the likes to 400, and then if you guys want to support the stream, that's great, and we'll call the winner pretty close to that number. Okay, so I'm gonna start the giveaway now, guys. I'm gonna open the entries. Let's go, guys. Let's get it, everyone. All right, I'm pretty sure we're gonna have like 450 entries as well, so I don't think it's asking for too much, I think, in my opinion, unless you have a different opinion, which I doubt. Everybody, thanks, guys. Let's get this Take Profit Trader 25K account giveaway. And by the way, no activation if you pass this account. It's easily doable. You guys can pass this account, Take Profit Trader keep in mind their evals
Order
are.
filled.
Oh, guys, 1 second. The evals are end of day drawdown, right? So. All right, fellow traders, man, I am long here.
Order submitted.
I hope we don't get any mochaccino falling knife pullback or anything like that. I don't want to see any big moves. I will be mad if we get any kind of a big moves. Any surprise in the market, we will see this market kind of move pretty aggressively. So, all right, guys, let's try to have some fun. I'm gonna be here full day. All right, I'm not going anywhere, guys. So let's try to have some fun, make some good trades. Okay. I will be trading this listed funded account. Thank you everybody for being here, and thank you guys for your support to the channel, everyone, including my haters too. I thank you for being here always, as always, every single day, every single night. Let's get it, guys. The market so far, it's choppy than I thought it is going to be. It is slightly choppier, so I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm up 30 bucks on this bad boy. So let's try to see. I kind of like a little bit of a bounce, to be honest, but I mean, who knows what this market's gonna do. I'm on MNQ right now, and I'm willing to kind of add
Order
along
canceled.
the way.
Order canceled.
It looks weak though. It looks weak. We just really have to kind of, like I said again, I think if we can get above 500, then I think we could see this thing try to get a bounce back into where again? Yeah, we could see this thing get at least a, well, yeah, let's first thing first, let's try to get it over 500, you know, to feel a lot more bullish. Or we just kind of tank right here. All right, so I'm gonna be looking for a little bit of a bounce, try to get this market back into at least 470, and maybe get a rejection of the level and maybe flush it down. How about that idea? We got a fair value gap above 490, right? We got a fair value gap. We definitely have a break in the structure, obviously, to the upside once you get to 500, guys. So I think that's going to be a very important level. We really have to try to get above 500. We're right now sitting at 442. We're about 50 points away. So I actually know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna place a hard stop here just in case, guys, just in case we flush it down. I want to make sure I'm kind of protected with hard stop. I'm gonna have a hard stop on my trades. Yeah, I'm definitely trying my level best to stay as patient as I can. And yes, I'm officially retired from silver and gold. Officially retired. Not as much on the gold. I will be trading gold time to time, but I mean, I think the days, I don't know. Maybe the good days on gold and silver, maybe it's behind us with that sort of a volatility, but who knows? It could always come back, right? So yeah, so the giveaway is going to be on Take Profit Trader, a 25k account. I'm going to have to change that. All right, I got the title changed. And yeah, this market is just yeah, we obviously ended up breaking some key levels, right, on Nasdaq and SPY. So just take a look at the SPY here. We're sitting at 677 now. So yeah, so do we get a little bounce? I think we continue pulling back here, to be honest. Maybe get a little bit of a decade bounce, but I mean, I don't know if that's well, I don't think that's going to be a sustainable bounce, of course. Maybe get a little bit of a bounce, but I think that kind of be short-lived. See a pullback down, and we could see a pullback that's going to look something like this, I would say. Oh my god, right? Or something like that, right? I would imagine this is how it's gonna be. Yeah, I mean, and then once you crack that level, it's gonna go all the way down to 661. So I don't know. Yeah, that could be another 2.5% pullback on the SPY. That's quite a lot, so I don't know. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback. So overall, I'm not, yeah, even though we're kind of expecting a little bit of a decade bounce, I just don't think it's probably better off try to short the pop here, in my opinion. Now again, thinking about it, we are getting a rejection, so I'll look for the little pop and probably look to short the bounce, guys.
Order canceled.
Let's try to look for the short trade. Yeah, so Apex restricted, not restricted, they banned silver and gold trades, so you can't trade that anymore. Dustin Laurie, hey, what is going on, man? Kobob in the house, what up? Oh, Kobob, you're doing well, hey? It's nice, nice. Zero Cool in the house, man. Johan, JP, this crypto, we know trades, War C. Nova Tail in the house. What up, bro? What up? What up? Lucky Mon, what is going on, man? Nice. Lucky Mon. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. You are scared? Me? Jinwon Kim. 호랑이띠세요? 아, 호랑이띠 아닌데. 예, 호랑이띠 아닙니다. And what up, everybody? All right, there's been a lot of questions. All right, guys, we're getting a nasty pullback here, and that's a big fat rejection of the 445. Yeah, I'm just going with the 1 micro, not really the end of the world. No problem, Jinwon. 진원님은 한국에 계시나봐요. No. Well, hold on. I'm gonna get. Shit! I got stopped out on that one. All right, I got stopped out on that bad boy.
Order canceled.
Wow, looks pretty bad, guys. I mean, down. Let me try to short on a pop here, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh well, there's a lot of pressure, guys. A lot of pressure. Is our good friend MSTR pulling back here? Let's find out, everyone. Oh my god, don't tell me. I hate when I get bottom tick, guys, man. Immediately as soon as I exit my trade. Actually, you know what? MSTR MicroStrategy is actually up 1% right now. Pretty well. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, just a little bit of a decade bounce. I mean, they were down about 18% today during the intraday, right? So all right, this is going to be yeah, it's a constant pullback here, guys. Not looking that great at all. We are pretty oversold from an RSI standpoint. RSI sitting at 13. I mean,
Order
filled.
guys,
Order filled.
I'll try to go 3
Order
micro.
submitted.
3 micro, guys. I went long 3 micro. Let's see. I could be wrong on this. RSI is at 19 now, and I'm gonna be looking for that 20 points stop. Yeah, 20 point stop on a micro. A little bit more, maybe 50. Yeah, 350. So I'm going to be looking for potential a bounce back into 390. We'll see. Maybe get a pullback here before we get a bounce. But extremely oversold here, guys, from an RSI standpoint. So I don't know. We could flush down, stop me out, and obviously end up getting a bounce too. I don't know if I have to give myself a little bit more room here. Maybe into the 340s. So that's going to be $300. Yeah, I'm kind of risking about $300 here. Yeah, I'm not gonna be adding. Yeah, today is definitely not the kind of a day you want to add. Yeah, it doesn't really matter if it's on a losing trade or a winning trade. It doesn't matter. But today is definitely not a day that we want to be adding, right? So that would be a lot of risk. Yeah, this could be a free fall too, but I mean, I'm just looking for that little bit of a decade bounce. The RSI, like, I don't know, man. It's just RSI is too mucho. No bueno, guys. It's pretty oversold. So I'm kind of thinking we get a little bounce. We'll see, guys. I mean, I may be wrong. Who knows? Mochaccino. Nobody knows Mochaccino, right? Oh shit, we are getting a bounce. 1 second, guys. Let's see if we can get a little bit bounce, or do we just fall apart here? We'll find out, guys. Another dumpster here could be possible. Yeah, now the RSI back in the 40s. Yeah, I mean, if we can't hold this, I think we could probably just flush it down pretty nicely. Oh, pretty fragile here. Yeah, pretty fragile. Just 3 micros, guys, man, and anything beyond that, it's too risky. Too much risky, boys. All right, so there we go, guys. I'm gonna look for a little bounce into the 400, guys. We'll see what happens now. Move my stop to break even. Well, not break even. Why do I keep saying break even? Move my stop to 360 area and look for a bounce back into 400. That would be my final target. The market definitely volatile, way more volatile than I thought it's going to be. So that's good. That's good for Globex, right? At least according to our standards, Globex standards, that is. All right, not bad, guys. We are back, back green, and I like this, guys. Let's see if we get a little break here. Let's see if we get a little bounce back into the 400s, guys. That's my final take profit there in that range. Let's see, guys. Yeah, come on, let's go, man. Don't stop me out right at that range. No. Ah. All right. I don't know, man. It looks weak, right? Weak. Just get a bounce. Let's go, man. What is up, Joey Crypto in the house, man. Nimex, Black Mamba in the house. Diago Finance. Huge profits, nice. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Yeah, congrats to everybody who did well today. Ah, man, come on. Just give me a little bounce. Oh shoot! By the way, my stop has 3 contracts.
Canceled.
Just realized that now.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I made a silly mistake today. I mean, everything was great until I ended up trading NQ instead of trading micro. You guys know what happens when you have 3 mini contracts, of course. No bueno, no pasa nada. All right, there we go, guys. We're getting a little pop here. Let's see if we can actually get a little more pop. Moving my stop. Move my stop to break even now. All right, I'll take one more off, guys.
Order
Down to 1 now.
Order submitted.
Gonna be looking for a bounce back into 410. Let's see if we get a little bounce, guys. That was a nice little entry there. We kind of found, well, pretty much the bottom. And I was just looking at the RSI, just purely based on the RSI. I was like, you know what, this is too extreme. It was too extreme oversold. So I was looking for a little bit of a dead cat bounce, and we actually ended up getting that. So that's great. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. We will call out the winner as we... Well, I would prefer to have the likes as much as we have the tickets, but yeah, but that's fine. All right, so we are getting a nice little pump here, guys. I mean, I like this. Maybe just move the what do you call this? The TP. Yeah, we are getting a little bit of a doji candle here, and the range is pretty big, guys. We have 100 points range. 100 points range. That's a lot. That's 100 points range, guys. All right, guys, we are pumping, so let's just, why don't we just take it? Yeah, I'm still holding. Okay, we are right at the VWAP. Let's see if try to get above this now. One more pierce. Come on, let's get it up there. We could get it up there, yeah. Let's see if we can actually get it up there, guys. A V-shaped bounce.
Order filled.
All right, there we go, guys. I just stopped
Order
out.
canceled.
That was a nice little trade. Yeah, I ended up being a little greedy, but I got it. That's fine. I got it. It's in control. Put it that way. That was a fun little trade. Now, am I gonna be upset if we continue to get a bounce? Not really. I mean, we took what we really need. Oh, it's a tough one. Try to see.
Order filled.
Oh, no. I'm trading NQ. Oh my god. See, this is the problem, man. The same mistake I've done. Incredible mochaccino. Well, this is eval, that's fine. It's not as bad. The other one was funded accounts, of course. This one is eval, so that's fine. but I still want to see this green. I don't know. There's a stop there. Come on, just get it down, man. Holy mochaccino. Hello? Let's see what hits first. Yeah,
Order filled.
Oh, there we go. It got filled. Now I'm gonna move to micro now quickly before it's kind of too late. No 1099. Yeah, I mean for me, we're in Canada, so. All right, guys, I'm gonna be looking for another setup to play out. Are we going to just literally just pull back here? We could, and you know what? I think this could move pretty quickly, right? So it's gonna kind of catch everybody off guard. So I'm gonna be looking for a little bounce and get a rejection of that 442. Right, and then maybe we end up, you know, getting that nice little flush down, right? We could potentially get also bounce back into. Why is this on a 1 minute chart? 1 second, guys. I gotta change this to 200 chart. Holy mochaccino! Look at this drawing. It's just horrible. All right, so here we go. Yeah, I'm kind of expecting a pullback here. Pretty bearish looking chart. So I'm going to be looking for that little bounce back into at least 440. And maybe the 440 get rejection. And this could be a, you know, shorting opportunity. Or maybe it's going to go without me now. Now that I'm out of the trade. Oh my god. Prop trader, what's up, man? Daniel, what up? Code Sovereignty JNew16, thanks for being a member. Maxima, what is going on, man? Everybody, welcome back. Great to see you guys, man. Great to see you guys. I hope you all had a great day today. I hope you all had a great day. Stoned, the real DC trader. Hey, what's up? What's up, bro? What's up? Joy Crypto, El Feco, Tyson, Dustin Laurie, man, what's up, man? Dan Amons, what is going on, man? The account is a day for that account. Oh yes, I mean, oh, I see. That's a. All right, that's a previous message. Okay. Yes, so I made over $200 on that account. So I just took a payout today. Yeah, I just took a payout, $2,000 on a Lucid account. So we'll. I mean, as long as I continue trading just NQ, I think I should be in good hands, right? We had a pretty rough couple of weeks, so we'll try to see if we can actually get into recovery mode and get back to where it's supposed to be. You know what I mean? I think we are definitely getting up there, so we'll see, guys, man. I'm on a recovery mode right now, getting pretty close, so we'll see. Nice and steady, you know what I mean? One at a time. Oh my god, this is gonna pull back without me now. Is this going to just pull back here? God. Oh my god. ES is pushing back. I have no position now. I have no position. No, this is the eval account. This is the eval. Yeah, I've been working on the gym, guys, man. I'm getting there, bro. I'm getting there. I told you I'm gonna show you my biceps pretty soon. Pretty soon. It's getting pretty close, guys. So you guys are gonna see something like this, right? It's like it's gonna be something like that pretty soon here. Like it's gonna be like that, right? So just keep an eye on that, guys. I'll be sharing that on Discord. So by the way, if you guys are new here, you guys know what to do, right? Did I share my Discord link? Maybe not. I did, I thought. All right, one second, guys. I'm gonna share my Discord link. Shame on you, StockTiger. Here we go, guys. Discord link. My apologies on behalf of StockTiger. Pipsy, I think you got to trade for 4 days. I haven't traded trade day in a while, so, but I think you got to trade it for 4 days. It used to be 7 days. They brought it down to like 4, and then once you get to the funded stage, you know, you obviously have the similar rule, like take profit trader, daily payout. Once you get above the buffer, that is, right? So, and the account's a little cheaper too. It's 40% off for newer traders who've never really traded. Oh, guys, we get a little bounce, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Not looking good. I don't like this. I don't like this, guys. I don't like this. I exited that trade, guys. I mean, on that small little pop, we already overbought. RSI at 70 on this 15 points bounce. I'm not liking that at all. Man, it's a lower high to me.
Order filled.
Let's try to be a little aggressive, guys. I mean, whatever, right? I'm trading my eval account anyways, so.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, keeps going. And what's the sound it's making? There we go. All right, so we are getting a little bounce. And that's a cappuccino bounce. I'm not liking that at all. Or do you get a little bit of a bear flag? You know, I mean, I do kind of see a bounce at least back into the pivot in that 400 area. You know, I don't know. All right, let's take it off, guys. Let's take it off. Wait for a little bit of a bounce, and then try to short this thing right on a bounce, guys. Yeah, it looks like a little bit of a chop fest, but anyways, Nobody's on a buying mode. Yeah, that's what it kind of looks like. Now let's take a look at the MSTR and see how MSTR is playing out right now. MSTR now back down 105, so they've just literally lost 1.5 points, a percent. We're getting a little pullback here on MSTR, which is not good for the market. Yeah, so I'm definitely leaning more bearish, of course, right? I'm leaning more bearish, but I don't know if you guys saw my swing trading account, but I've been placing a lot of limit orders right now, so on a pullbacks, you know what I mean? So we'll see how that plays out. But I've been starting to get quite a few orders getting filled along the way. Like today, I think I probably got about 10 contracts, well, 10 shares. Obviously, various different companies. But yeah, so they are getting filled as we speak. So I'd like to see a continued correction here if you can. Maybe this could be a nice little start to the correction, right, in this overall market, which obviously... are we gonna get a V-shaped balance? I don't know, man. I don't think that's the case, in my opinion. I think this is a little bit more of a deeper, I would say, a pullback that we may kind of witness in the next couple of weeks, I would say. But like I said again, you know, this is what I've been saying for 2 weeks ago. I did say that February month was looking red, right? And I said we may get a little pop at the initial early February, and then the rest of the month looking red. And you know, I'm still in that camp for now. I'm still in that camp. So I think we are getting obviously coupled with you know, slightly weaker than kind of am I having do I have a little problem here, guys? I don't know. Oh, the network. I've got to get a Starlink. Starlink. Does anybody have a Starlink here? Yeah, we gotta get a cappuccino link. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe I've got to get a what do you call this, landline? I don't know. Yeah. I think I got disconnected. I don't know. Did I get disconnected here? I'm not sure. Oh, so then Evans have a Starlink, but rarely use it. Oh, I see. I heard it's pretty good. 1 terabits Ethernet at home. Yeah, I mean, the problem is I use wireless, right? And on top of that, I'm trading on my basement, which doesn't help, I think. I've got a booster here too, but I don't know. I don't know why. Having a little bit of an issue. So strategy pulling back here, guys, down 1% after hour, of course. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what's going on with the Iran and the US tension. It's not getting any better, right? I don't think. I don't know, man. I don't know what is going on there. And I will be obviously traveling in that region pretty soon here. And I don't know what to do now. We'll see. It's gonna be a problem. Combination of both. It's gonna be both vacation plus my personal stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be a busy year. 2026 is gonna be a lot of fun, a lot of excitements. A lot of stuff going on. Yeah, I think my computer just got disconnected. I think it's back on now. I think it's okay. Yeah, I do have kits. Yeah, absolutely. All right, so do we get a little bounce, guys? I mean, silver is getting a bounce. I mean, let's take a look at the silver here for a moment. Well, what kind of a bounce are you talking? You are trying to just put me back to silver trading. Silver is getting a bounce, guys. Wow, look at that. Silver is getting a bounce. Silver's bounce. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, guys, man. Whatever you guys try, right, to put me back into silver, it's not gonna work, right? StockTiger. All right. I mean, yeah, let's how is this gonna play out, guys? Looks pretty weak here so far, right? So I'm looking for one more push here back higher, back into the 400 area, guys. From that 400 area, I'm gonna be obviously a lot more aggressive in trying to short this market, guys. I'm gonna try to short this pop into that 400, guys. Dundula 8258, thank you so much for using my code. 5 lucid accounts bought using StockTiger Tiger code, and I thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate it, brother. And I obviously truly appreciate everybody here in the streams for using my code, of course. And yeah, it's without you guys, obviously, again, and I keep saying this over and over again, guys, but this channel, this stream does not mean anything without you guys. And I thank you guys for being here. We got over 600 viewers. Do we have over 600 viewers now? We got over 600 viewers, guys. I mean, every single night we have 600 viewers. That's incredible. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Love you guys. Mucho gracias, everybody. And what else? Te amo. And what else can I say? Te amo. What else? Te amo. That's it. That's all I know. Yeah. So, guys, I'm not gonna try to chase the short here, guys, because I think maybe we get a bounce. I mean, if we get a bounce, it's gonna move pretty quickly, right? So I don't want to get caught on the wrong side. And I've been on the wrong side a lot of times, though. And we are obviously pretty extended to the downside, right? So some kind of a bounce, I think maybe due now, right? Maybe we're in that little bit of a bottoming process here on a short-term basis. So maybe get a little bounce back into 400, guys, and maybe from there on, we'll see. If that holds, and I think we could see a continued bounce back at least into 500, you know? And then we get a rejection, just taking a look from a 30-minute standpoint. But yeah, it looks pretty weak. But if we can, well, take a look. I'm just gonna zoom out on this candle. So this is on a 30-minute candle, right? So let's take a look at the Fibonacci here, guys. Fibonacci, right? So I'm gonna look at the Fibonacci on one single candle here, one single candle. So I want to kind of look to see if we could try to get a bounce back into I would say 370. Yeah, so 370, and probably end up putting my stop here at oh, 1 second, guys. Let's see. We'll obviously have to see how this candle actually in the closing. Let me just use the 50-minute chart. Probably better off use 50-minute chart, I think. Yeah, probably better off use 50 minutes. 70. Yeah, so let's just try to take it back to 380-ish. So I like to see this thing get a bounce back into this zone. right? So before we start to get some kind of a pullback here down. But man, look at this, guys, man. We are just constantly tanking. We're not holding, guys. We're not holding. Yes, so they're still on, right? Fundy Futures Network still has a BOGO deal, so you're paying $75 for essentially 2 accounts, right? So, oh my god, this is an absolute monster pullback here, guys, man. We are constantly pulling back with no any kind of a bounce, guys. Not even a little bit of a decade bounce we are getting here. So I mean, this is the problem. If you just keep waiting for that to play out, that's the problem. So maybe I'll try to go long here, guys, on a pullback here. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to long here, and I will try to long on a further pullback here down. I can't see. Damn it, it's a problem. Hold on 1 second. I've got to zoom out to kind of see the next level of support here, guys. I can't see it. I'm just gonna move back to the 1 hour chart. What the heck is it? I can't see it. Oh my mochaccino. Yeah, it doesn't show my well, that's fine. Let's take a look at this from here. That's the weekly low at 304. So we are obviously constantly getting a pullback here. Let's just move to the 4 hour chart. Wow, man, this thing is a nasty pullback here. Let me just get rid of the drawings here for a moment. Get rid of all the drawings. How did I do that? I forgot. Remove all. There we go. Where's my Fibonacci? So this is a little bit too deep, so let's try to use this and this one right here.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. All right, so we could see this thing pull back into $20,000 too, guys. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, right? But before we start to do that, maybe we try to get a little bit of a bounce, guys. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we try to do something like that. You know what I mean? To give us that, to give us something like this, and then maybe end up getting a pullback from here. Let me do a little bit of an what do you call this? The drawing. Let's see. Oh no, I can't even see that. Anyways, guys, yeah, maybe we get something like this. You know what I mean? Or maybe if we get a little bit of a deeper pullback, maybe we try to pull back here, and then eventually give us that little bit of a bounce and do something like that, maybe. I don't know. For now I'm long. For now, I'm long, guys. I'm gonna place my stop right at the low here at 293. Let's see if we get a little bounce, guys. I'd like to see a bounce back into 370 here. Yeah, I want to see a bounce back into 370, or at least 380, somewhere on that range. It'd be nice. 20k on NQ. Well, I mean, that's too far. Yeah, I mean, 20,000. I don't know, man. And that's a massive liquidation. We gotta be realistic too. I said 20. I didn't say 20,000 on NQ. Did I say 20,000? Oh, maybe I did. No, I didn't say it. I would. Yeah, I never said 20,000. Not me.
Order
All
filled.
right, guys. Oh my good. Tokyo in about 3 minutes. Yeah, I completely forgot about Tokyo too. Holy mochaccino. What is Tokyo gonna bring us to the table? Is Tokyo gonna bring us sushi to the table, guys? We'll find out in about a few minutes. 3 more minutes, guys. We'll see. Yeah, Shanghai is gonna be in about an hour, right? So first thing first, we gotta take care of Tokyo first. So let's take care of sushi first, and then we'll take care of Sitchin noodle a little later, in about an hour. Yeah, you're down about $1,000. Oh man, that's no bueno. No bueno, no love. Pro Pascal, what is going on, man? All right, so we are here. Let's try to see, man. I want to be a little more aggressive on this, but I don't want to get nuked and have a bad evening here. Lately, the last thing I want to see is be red, especially during Globex and Asia session, because that's gonna kind of ruin the very next day in the morning, which obviously does matter the most, right? So guys, man, I'm gonna be looking for a little bit of a bounce back into 380. I haven't given up on that thesis, right? So let's see if this could be the little bit of a bottoming process here. Could be the short-term bottom here at 291. We'll find out, guys. We got a minute now for Globex. Sorry, for Tokyo. All right. Oh. Yeah, that wasn't me. All right, so far we are seeing a little pullback, guys. Tokyo is selling. No more sushi in the table. Looks like it. Tokyo's trying to digest the move we had this morning, guys. Tokyo's like, what is up? All right, guys, well, we are getting a pullback here.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I gotta stop that. Look at this choppiness, man. It's really hard to trade this chop. All right, guess what? If I try to short this now, obviously,
Order
you know
filled.
it's gonna get a bounce, right? So watch this do this. It's gonna get a bounce. I want to place my stop right at the initial high. We'll see what happens now, guys.
Order filled. Order
Or
filled.
maybe not. Holy mochaccino, guys. It's actually getting a pullback here.
Order
Oh,
filled.
wow.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I want to be a little more aggressive, but I don't know if this market's gonna give me. I need a bigger move, of course, to try to play. There's no trend either. I mean, trend is obviously to the downside, but we have a chance of a pretty quick bounce that's gonna give us a lot of surprise a lot of shorters obviously trying to short this market. We still have a lot of traders trying to short this market right now, so we could get a quick bounce, and that bounce is gonna take all the shorts out. So 5K in 2 minutes, Edward. Holy man, you are a killer. The killer himself, Mr. Edward. All right, down to 2 now.
Order filled.
Pretty interesting price action. We are continuously getting a pullback, guys. The market is down, right? We are back down to 24,300 area, and so we did talk about this area too. The week low is 292 now. We are constantly hitting the low here of the week. Maybe I think, yeah, maybe this thing could see a pullback into 24,000. 24,000 is probably where it's trying to get to. Before I don't know, man. It's not looking that great, guy. It's not looking that great, guys. I mean, I wouldn't want to try to mess with this price action at the moment, to be honest. We may get a bigger splash like the way we got here. We may get something like this down here as well. I'm just not sure. I'm just not sure. The problem is, do we get a bounce first before we try to get a pullback? And the bounce could be something like this. I don't know. Or do we just keep going here to the south? I'm just not sure. Probably just better off just kind of be a little patient. All right, let me just take it off.
Order filled.
And look to see if you get a little bounce, guys, in the NQ, or maybe not. I'm not sure. Looking pretty bearish at the moment, right? So it's good. It keeps going. Yeah, it keeps going, guys. It keeps going. Yeah, it's gonna be a tough month. It's gonna be a tough month to get to a decent payout. For me, yeah, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. Of course, I'm gonna try my level best, but I mean, so far, it's not looking as promising. Yeah, but I mean, I'm not gonna try to chase the payout for this month. We'll see. We'll give it a shot. We'll try level best, of course. You know, if we end up getting, then that's great. If not, I've got a lot of work to do. Yeah, absolutely. I agree. Got lots of work to StockTiger. I'm kind of leaning more, let's say, for I will be back to, of course, 5 take profit trader pro accounts. So I've got 2 right now, and I may end up getting 5 in the next maybe in a day or 2, and then I'll like to use the 150s to try to see if I can get to some big payouts. So I'm kind of banking. Yeah, I'm kind of banking on Take Profit Trader. I'm kind of banking on my Lucid too, and we'll see. I've also got one Apex account that I've got to. I think I've got to over $20,000 of profit on it, and that's my 3rd payout. We'll see. So there are some works to be done, right? After getting a pretty hefty damage thanks to silver in the last couple weeks, I am at least grateful that I'm away from, of course, silver, right? So I'm in that recovery mode. So I'm taking one step at a time, and so we'll see how it goes. You know, we still have another 4 weeks to go, and we also have another, say, March, right? So we got 3 weeks for February, and we got another 4 weeks for March. Actually, March is gonna be longer, right? I think we got 5 weeks for March, so you got a lot of days to trade, a lot of weeks. So I'm gonna try to stay a little patient, and if I can get the payout that I want in February, and that will kind of roll over into March, and March could be a pretty strong month, right? So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so no more silver, guys, man. I definitely did a lot of mistakes with silver, which obviously I shouldn't have done it, but yeah, silver absolutely destroyed StockTiger, man. Absolutely, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so far the market, it's grinding down. By the time it's said and done, you know, I'm looking for this market to give me that little bit of a bounce, of course, and try to short the pop, right? But you know, for all you know, we may end up just getting a pullback here. By the time I look for shorting opportunity, the market may be down about another 300 points. So I may not get a chance. I don't know. We'll give it a try. I'm a little upset that I was trying to short the pop earlier on, but I was a little nervous about a little bit of a squeeze bounce that I don't even know why I was worried about. Just play the hard stuff. If you get stopped out and it's fine, then you get stopped out. But if I took a stab on that trade, I could have been, you know, nicely up on my trade, and I would have been holding 100 points range, a pullback in this market. Oh my God. Versa trades, what is going on, man? Optimus works. Raby in the house, man. Benzema, Flair, Albert, Christian, Angelica, water fasting result, Tyson. Yo, guys, man, thanks everybody for being here, man. Thank you, everybody. Dan Amons, don't be a hero tonight. Yeah, today is definitely not the kind of a day you want to be a hero. Yeah, absolutely. I'm definitely not trying to be a hero. Yeah, so I'm building. Yeah, I'm working on it. Yeah, got some work to do, but yeah, I mean, as long as I'm not trading silver, and I mean, I'm not worried about micro gold, to be honest. Yeah, micro gold is fine. It's just that the silver was a big fat problem. Yeah, that was definitely a huge freaking problem that I just could not get away from. Yeah, finally we are away from silver, so that's good. And you know what? The silver is kind of shitting to bed now, right? It's down to what, $70. So it's like we may get some big impulsive move on the silver. I wouldn't be surprised, but silver is down to $70, I think. Yeah, I'm glad that I'm done. I'm done with silver. I'm really glad, guys, man. That was definitely some mental breakdown, I'll be honest, man. I haven't really spoken a lot about my silver journey in the last couple of weeks, and I didn't want to make things look too negative, you know what I mean, on our streams. But I will share a little bit of the story on the Discord a little bit later on. I'll share that for sure. I'll let you guys know what happened, right? And how things turn ugly pretty quickly. I would definitely want to share that information. Well, information means a little bit of a story. I'll share that on Discord, guys, a little bit later on. But yeah, it's been rough, but we got it back. We are back to life again. right? A little bit of that recovery mode. I think we got it. I think we got it, guys. As long as I keep trading NQ, I should be fine. I should be fine. We'll see if we can actually get back on track for the latter half of February and maybe into March, guys. But at least we got still another 11 more months to go, right? So we got a lot of months to go. So we'll see. Thank you guys for subscribing. And by the way, guys, let's see how many tickets do we have. And this is, again, we got Take Profit Trader 25K account giveaway happening right here today. We got over 340 tickets for Take Profit Trader account with a little less than 250 likes. So that's about 40%. Show some love, guys. If you've typed in exclamation tiger, please take a few seconds of your time to smash the like as well. Right? And then yeah, I'll be here all night, so we're good to go here, fellow traders. We are here in this together, looking for this market to get a little bit of a bounce, but we are not getting any of that at the moment. So no bounce, no bueno, guys, man. It keeps pulling back here, man. Maybe by the time we get up tomorrow in the morning, this may be down to 24,000, right? That's what I said here. We have a little bit of a Fibonacci you're gonna have to kind of work on. We got a 61.8 Fibonacci here, back down to 24,000. Maybe that's where it's trying to head down to. Already the weekly low is at 260. I don't know, man. This is just a constant pullback with no signs of a bounce at the moment. This 4-hour chart candle looks pretty bearish, guys. Obviously, we're gonna have to wait till this candle close too, but I mean, it's not looking good at all right now. We are constantly getting a pullback here. Margin call. Yeah, maybe get a margin call here today, guys. I wonder what the Bitcoin's doing right now at this point. How much down are we on the Bitcoin, guys? Let's take a look at the Bitcoin here. Bitcoin down to $60,000, everybody. Fellow traders. Oh my God. Guys, fellow traders, man, we are down. Bitcoin's down to 60,000. You've got to be joking. 4 weeks ago, 5 weeks ago, I was saying, okay, well, we gotta, if the Bitcoin pulls back into 60K, I'll definitely be loading some ETFs. Yeah, I know, man. What if you bought it $120, man? I'm pretty sure there's a lot of traders who bought at this level. I wouldn't be surprised, right? You know what I mean? I think there's a lot of traders, or say newer traders bought Bitcoin at this level, thinking that the Bitcoin is gonna be like here, right? So the expectation for the Bitcoin, because that's what everybody said. We're gonna be seeing Bitcoin at $1 million or whatever, $500,000, whatever it's called, right? So $100,000 obviously seemed very cheap, right? Compared to whatever $300,000 that a lot of traders were actually calling, or analysts, put it that way. So a lot of traders bought $120, and then now we're sitting at 60,000, man. So that's, so if you bought $120,000, you're literally down, I don't know. Like yeah, you're down about 60% right now. That's a pretty bad investment, right? Yeah, one of my family member also bought at I think yeah, one of my family member bought at 80,000. Yeah, bought at 80,000 and the Bitcoin got a bounce into 120 or something like that, and I don't know if she took some profits off the table, and now we're sitting at 60, so not looking good, guys. We could see this thing pull back into 50s, right? I'm looking for I want to see a Rocket Lab. Yeah, I want to see a Rocket Lab pull back here into the 50s, and I'll be a buyer on this. I've actually placed my limit orders. Yeah, I've placed my limit orders on the Rocket Lab. At 55, I think at 62, a few shares, and nothing really too crazy. And then here and here, this is what I've done at 35 as well. So I don't know how deep of a pullback we're gonna get on this Rocket Lab, but so let's see. Get a nice little. Where's that? God, I hate this sometimes. Yeah, we could see this thing pull back here into 47. And if that doesn't hold, then I think we could get it down to 35. I don't know. And we got earnings coming out as well at the same time, so. And we got earnings. Okay. I think these earnings are gonna be crappy too. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, where am I at right now? Oh shoot, guys, we got a bounce. Holy mochaccino, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, let's take a stab at this. Oh, hold on. Do we continue getting a bounce? Actually, you know what?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, let me just try to go long here, guys. 270. I'm going to be looking for that bounce back into 350. 350. See, 350 area. Trump talking? Really? Is he? I don't think so.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. Let's get a little bounce, guys. Back into 360. Yeah, the reason I went long was because you see this little hammer. This is on a 30-minute chart. Look at this hammer, guys. So I'm looking for that little bit of a short-term bottom here. And look, you know, this wick here, like this is a bit of a slingshot bounce, right? And looking for that bounce back into, I would say, 380 at most. And I don't know what happens. We may get a little bit of that bounce, right, in this market. We end up getting a pullback, that's fine. 270 is right down there, yeah, so I'm down to 8 contracts. Down to 8 contracts, guys.
Order
I'm
filled.
down to 7 now. So on a longer time frame, we have a nice, beautiful slingshot bounce, a bullish hammer. So let's see if we get a bounce back into the 380s, guys. Final take profit if we get a bounce into 380. And then maybe from there on, we get a pullback. I don't know. We'll have to kind of wait and see how this candle closed on a 30-minute chart too, before we can kind of decide what he wants to do. All right, for now, I am long from 308 and looking for that little bounce.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna place my stop. I'm gonna place my stop at 288. So we have to get above this pivot, right? This pivot, we may get a little pullback here. I don't know, depending on. Overall, the market's kind of looking weak, right? We also have a little bit of a break in the structure on obviously a tick chart standpoint, and from the 30-minute standpoint as well, we got a nice, beautiful slingshot bounce on that bullish candle. So let's see if we get a little bounce, guys, back into 380. That's my final take profit in the area. All right, guys, over 730 concurrent viewers. Let's take a look and see how much ticket we have. We've got 360 tickets so far. Yeah, you guys can type in exclamation tiger, obviously, to give yourself a chance to participate. And please take a few seconds, few moments of your time to smash the like, everybody, if you can. Yeah, it definitely gives me that motivation. Thank you, everybody, for your support to the stream, and we may get pretty close to doing our giveaway now. Yeah. All right, guys, we're getting a nice little bounce, everybody. And thanks for subscribing as well. And by the way, for the newer traders to the stream, I go live in the mornings as well, at least twice a week. Usually at about 10:30 a.m. in the morning. I will be live tomorrow morning, by the way. I will be live tomorrow morning. And obviously, I go live every night as well. Every night. Every night at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. That's the Globex start. Guys, what a nice little bounce that we are getting here, man.
Order
I'm down to
filled.
5. Let's try to hold 4 more.
Order filled.
We may get a little pull. Hold on one second, guys. I'll take this one off right here.
Order
I'm down
filled.
to 3 now. Oh my god, we are getting a bounce, guys. So what a beautiful looking candle. I want to trade London, guys, but I will need a lot of caffeine, a lot of coffee. Yeah, and you guys are gonna start to hear me speaking Korean too in London session. Thank you, guys. All right, so far, nice little bounce that we got, guys. And this is the kind of a bounce that I was kind of worried about. You know what I mean? And that's why I was a bit... Yeah, that's why I couldn't take a stab on a short side because of this. And at least finally we're getting that kind of a bounce that we were talking about. This is a pretty significant bounce that we are getting here, right? We talked about this. I mean, look at that, guys, man. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, at least we could get it back into, I don't know, 380 to, I would say, 380. This probably is a good spot here. We are definitely getting a break in the structure, right? We got above the fair value gap too. We hit the short-term bottom at 240, and we're getting a bounce, man. This is 120 points bounce right from the low, and yeah, definitely a break in the structure, guys. Bulls may be in control here. Just gotta get above this 370. I'm gonna take one more off the table here.
Order filled.
I'll place my hard stop. Yeah, it looks like we are gonna go, everybody. This could be a big fat mochaccino bounce. We'll see. Now we gotta keep an eye on this 440. So I don't know. We may get a little pullback here. Who knows? I may just try to take it off right now. To be honest, I'll just take it off.
Order filled.
All right, not a bad trade. Not a bad trade, guys. Not a bad trade. So I took it off. Let's see if we get a little pullback down into 320s before we start to get a bounce again. At least so far, I almost kind of feel like maybe get a little pullback here down, and then try to get a bounce again. Right? Maybe something like this, and then from there, maybe we try to pierce through, and then that, you know, gets a double top. We got a lot of liquidity, right? We got a lot of liquidity at about I would say 420 area. We got a lot of liquidity, so we may get a little bit of a double top there as well, kind of play out. And then that gives us that pullback, or we may just end up getting a pullback right now as well. Nobody knows, right? So let's keep an eye on this liquidity, guys, man. Let's we definitely have that liquidity here as well at 360. If we end up holding this VWAP, then we could get a bounce back, like I said, again to the 440s and then to 470s, and that's a major key level. If we break out of that, then yeah, I think we have a short-term bottom, guys. We could get a nice little decade bounce into tomorrow as well, London. So it really depends on how we kind of hold this. We really have to get above 450. So this is the level 450. So yeah, it's a big one, everybody. News gonna say we liquidated the whole company tomorrow. Oh my god. We definitely, it's now trying to hold. We are trying to hold, guys. I mean, so let's see if we get a little pullback here. I'm gonna try to long again. I'm gonna try to long here, guys, on a pullback if we can. Or this may just go without me. I don't know. No, it's just gonna go without me now. Damn it. I'm so mad. Yeah, nice trade. I like that. So yeah, we just opened up a new candle on 30 minutes, and this is not looking bad, right? This is not looking bad. We just gotta try to get above, like I said again. If we can get a candle that's gonna look like this, yeah, this is extremely bullish all of a sudden, and that may potentially take us back into, obviously, like I said again, 440. This is a huge level, a big fat level of liquidity, kind of waiting in that area too. So we'll see if we get something like this, or do we actually end up getting a rejection of this level now and give us that pull back into the 360s, 350s. We may try to retest for 330s before we start to get a bounce. We'll see. I'm gonna be patiently waiting for a little pullback here down. See how it kind of goes. The big banks erase silver. Yeah, I know, man. Can you imagine silver being about $120 back down to $70, man? In a matter, it's not even weeks. It's not even weeks, guys. Incredible mochaccino. It's the biggest mochaccino pullback ever on the silver. I'm just glad I'm away from silver now. Holy man. I'm just like, I don't know. I just feel so much better just staying away from silver. Oh my god, incredible. finally got a freedom. Yeah, Pelosi's got 2 million put options on Nvidia. See what happens to that trade. Yeah, I had some yeah, man. Final countdown, you have no idea what happened. No bueno, no love, no pasa nada. I have no idea when the sale is gonna happen. Yeah, Apex 90% is off now, so I don't know. We're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait. We may get maybe. I'm assuming that we may end up getting an 80% off. I guess 80% on the on what do you call this? 80% off on Apex, maybe. And then maybe a cheaper activation, maybe $65, and instead of getting it to 75, we'll see. So we get a little pullback here. Get a little pullback here down. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we get a little more pullback here down into 3/10s, or do we just get a bounce? We could just literally bounce and go for all you know, man. Just yeah, I know Momo. Shit, man. I know. I know. Yeah, I stopped trading silver, and I don't trade as much gold as well. For me, gold and silver, it almost kind of feels like a little bit of a distraction in my trading journey, right? It's been like that, especially gold last year for about 6 to 7 months. It's always been like a little bit of a, what do you call this, obstacle for StockTiger. I mean, honestly, without gold, it would have been a lot better last year. It was already a big success, but I mean, it could have been a much bigger success, right? So at least I'm lucky that the silver is kind of away now. I mean, imagine if you kept trading silver for about 6-7 months and kind of realize 6 months later that oh shit, I'm in trouble. You know what I mean? I'm happy that I had a little fun with silver for about 3 weeks, and then it's now down, and now we are free to trade NQ for the next 11 months and give us a much bigger success story. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun just trading NQ for the next 11 months. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I look forward to trading obviously just NQ. So no pullback so far. So no pullback here. Guys, man, this keeps ripping. Wow, look at that bounce. Holy mochaccino. Yeah, I mean, this is the problem, right? I'm just not getting a chance to kind of get in. So I'm just going to have to just kind of wait while I hang out with my fellow traders in the house. Yeah, I mean, we could see this market pull back too. Yeah, what a big move though, right? We had a, well, this Globex Asia definitely did move the market. Yeah, we had a dumpage, what, over 200 points pullback, right? And then we got a, yeah, this is actually moving pretty nicely here. Yeah. Guys, man, look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this move on a 30-minute chart on the right hand side. It's moving. Yeah, I'm still, well, maybe I'm just being a little naive here, waiting for a pullback here on this market. Maybe that's asking for a bit too much. I don't think it's gonna get any pullback. We could get a little bit of a surprise pullback here. So I'm just gonna be actually, you know what? I'm gonna have to move my limit orders though. That's gonna be a deeper pullback, right? So let's kind of look for a pullback into 360s. Yeah. Maybe it's gonna go. Yeah, but that was a nice little call there. ATB Chief, what's your daily goal with Apex and 50K accounts? I mean, there's no daily goal because you have to kind of stick to their 30% consistency rules. So you're probably better off just to kind of stay below $750, both realized and unrealized. So if you're, say, about $1,000 unrealized negative loss, then you're obviously going to get into a violation too, right? So it's always nice to kind of stick to that 30% on the Apex. Holy man, $1,200 on that TPT account. Bowser, you're killing, bro. Guys, man, every time we get a little pullback here in this market, it's getting a quick bounce, so it's just not giving me a chance to kind of get in. Maybe I get it right here, guys. Maybe I get it right here. Maybe we get it right here.
Order filled.
All right, so one got filled. Let's keep an eye on this. Yeah, I will be live tomorrow morning, about 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's when I will be live tomorrow morning. I will be trading tomorrow morning.
Order filled.
Oh my god, I'm getting filled now, guys. I'm getting filled. My orders are getting filled as we speak. Uh-oh, StockTiger in trouble. Are we gonna? Is this going to be a start of a pullback? I was looking for a pullback. We'll see. Yeah, I haven't changed. We'll just leave it at this. $734. I'm still looking to go long here, guys, on a pullback. I'm just not sure how deep of a pullback we're gonna get, or we just get a bounce right now. So I think, yeah, this market has a chance to get a bounce today into tomorrow morning. Or I think we are looking for a much bigger pullback in the overall market, right? I think that's what it is. So I think today is the kind of a day to save the market. Today and tomorrow morning, I would say, will be the time to kind of try to save the market, guys. I mean, this is pretty significant. Or maybe we try to get a bounce and then maybe kind of fall apart tomorrow. And back down to 24. Yeah, maybe we try to retest 24,000 tomorrow. I think it's definitely doable. I've got 2 contracts, man. I'm feeling cold. Just one second. I'm just gonna go to the washer. I'll be right back in a minute. Thank you, guys.
Order filled.
Oh, sorry guys, I'm back. All right, guys, we get a little bounce. Let's take a look at the gold. Whoa, my God. Gold's getting a bounce. Guys, let me just exit this trade right here. It's starting to look a little weak, right? This market. The gold's getting a bounce, guys, like crazy. Holy mochaccino.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went short on NQ. Look for that stop to be somewhere in that 395. Yeah, I've got 4 micro right now. Let me just get rid of these drawings too. These drawings are wild. Let me just get rid of that. Get rid of all these freaking drawings, man. It's just really annoying. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. All right, let me just get
order filled.
Yeah, I just exited my trade. I just wanna. I think we should kind of wait now, right? We're obviously at a point of control now. The bulls and the bears kind of trying to battle out in this area, so I think we got to get out of this before we start to get into a trade. Let the bulls and the bears fight. We stay on the sideline. How about that? All right, all right, all right. We are getting pretty close to... Oh, yeah, by the way, yeah, giveaway. Yeah, oh, yeah, absolutely, sir. So we have about 440 tickets. Yeah. Yeah, everyone who's typed in exclamation tiger, please take a few seconds if you can. If you guys want to support the stream, smash the like, everybody, if you can. Really appreciate it, everyone. And we are about time. It's that time of the day. It's that time of the day, guys, so we gotta get going. And thank everybody, obviously. But look at that bounce in the gold, guys. Holy mochaccino. Let's take a look at the MSTR. Not as much down. It's only 1.5% down. 1.5% down, guys. And Enki trying to hold, and the gold trying to get a bounce, guys. What a bounce in the gold, though. And that's wow. That's 100 points bounce. No, sorry. Yeah, that's 100 points bounce on the... Yeah, that's 100 points bounce on the gold. Let's take a look at the silver. Wow, look at the bounce in the silver too. $63. We went down all the way to $63. Pretty wild. No, I'm keeping gold just as a reference, right? There's nothing wrong to take a look at the gold, obviously, right? Yeah, the NQ is still chopping in that range. NQ is still chopping in that range. Yeah, still chopping the range. Nothing truly there at the moment. All right, so we're getting a little bit of a break. Little bit of a break here on NQ. Black Mamba, what is up? Trader Grace. What do you mean? Oh, no. I've got to shut it off. There's no offer right now. The offer from Apex right now is that they temporarily halted the trading on the metals. That's all I have at the moment. All right, that's a nice little bounce off that 340. bit weird, guys. And gold's pulling back here. The gold's pulling back. Oh yeah, by the way, yeah, sorry guys, man, I completely forgot about that. Why would they reset accounts? Apex? Why would they do that? Does anybody know? Oh, because of the trade bit issue. I mean, they will reset accounts if you fall within that threshold during those what do you call this? During those outrage hours. And that was only for about 35 to 45 minutes, if I'm not wrong. All right, I think it's that time of the day for us to kind of get going. Thank you once again, all of you, for always being here with us every day. If you're new, I'm gonna share my Discord link if you guys want to hang out with. This is my Discord link, and this link will take you to one of the finest Discord in the PROPFIRM space. Got a lot of great traders as well. And the next thing is, this is going to be a Take Profit Trader 25k account giveaway, and I am just about to close the entries. I'm gonna close the entries, guys. Also at the same time, please take a few seconds of your time to smash the like, everybody, if you have participated on this giveaway. All right, I've closed the entries and I'm gonna call out the winner. I know you got 1 minute, guys. You got 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us as well, so just make sure. Okay, good luck, everybody. I've already closed the entries, so. And again, this is Take Profit Trader 25k account. There's no activation, by the way, if you win. And I told you again, you got 1 minute, okay? 1 minute to confirm that you are here. FS Trades 5. FS Trades 5, you've got 1 minute. FS Trades 5. FS5. All right, so while we wait for Mr. FS Trades to be here, he's got 44 seconds to confirm. Guys, there's no exception, right? So if the 1 minute's passed, it's gone. You know what I mean? "30 seconds, guys. Guys, we are getting a nice little bounce on the NQ, which obviously it's kind of looking a lot more bullish here. We got a little bit of a bull flag here on the tick chart. Yeah, man, we could get a nice little bounce on the NQ, guys. We'll see. All right, so time is up. Oh my god. Yeah, we got FS rates here. FS rates, are you here? Yeah, you are here. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna share that. I'm gonna have to have you obviously hop on a Discord and DM me, please, if you don't mind, and send me a friend request as well. Congrats. Again, my Discord link is here. I'm sharing it again. Raffle the other account? What other account are you talking about? That's a nice little bounce, guys. Nice little bounce on the NQ. Yeah, so I mean, oh, shit, man. This bounce is crazy. And the gold is nuts too. Let's take a look at the gold. Oh my god, gold is nuts. Yeah, gold is like 80 points up and down, up and down. It's crazy, man. What the heck is going on right now? There's no way I'm gonna be able to trade gold with this range that we are getting now, 80 points range. And I'm on a 5-minute chart, by the way. Holy mochaccino, look at that guy. Yeah, this is pretty yeah, this is pretty wild, guys. Man, gold is moving like crazy. Is gold pulling back? Sorry, not the gold. Well, the gold, the Bitcoin got a bounce, guys. The Bitcoin's bounced. It's back to $64,000, but wow, man, we are constantly getting pullback here. Man, what a nasty pullback here in the gold. You are, I think you are allowed to trade. You are allowed to trade silver and gold on Lucid. I think Lucid is an exception. Lucid, I think you should be fine.
Order filled.
Alright, guys, I try to go long on one micro. Let's see if it kind of works out.
Order filled.
Oh, there we go.
Order filled.
Oh shit.
Order filled.
No pullback in the gold. Whoa, look at that balance in the gold, guys.
Stop filled.
Yeah, one got filled. One got filled. Wow, man, look at this move. It doesn't matter that
Order
trade.
filled.
Yeah, that's some crazy a move on the gold, guys, man. That would be crazy. Yeah, the gold is moving like crazy. MSTR not down quite as much. MSTR? Really? I think MSTR is only down. Well, it's still $105 right now. MSTR. Silver is getting a bounce. Holy mochaccino. Wow, from $63 to $70, guys. That's literally about $70. That's some serious bounce, guys, in the gold and the silver, man. If you be careful, you guys are trading that bad boy. That's pretty wild moves that we are getting right now. Yeah, let's take a look at the gold again. The gold is, wow, man, look at that mochaccino. And that's some serious bounce on the gold. The gold is making NQ look like a little baby. Ow, it hurts. But yeah, guys, the NQ is looking bullish. NQ is looking bullish too. Yeah, I just poked my right next to my eye. Damn, guys, everything's just moving. I don't even know what to do. What's that mean for the market? The market trying to get a bounce. The gold's getting a bounce. Market's gonna bounce. And like, what the heck, man? Everything is just literally getting a bounce like crazy. I'm not sure. Tough to trade. It's making some real wild moves. So I don't know. Right now it's higher low, right? Higher low. It's making this nice little move on the NQ. So we've got a lot of liquidity here in that 440 zone. So we really have to get above that, or else I think we could see this thing pull back. So get rid of all these drawings now. Looks like we want to get up there, I guess, right? I think once we pierce through this, I think we probably end up getting a bounce back into is this going to be a reversal? Is this going to be a reversal, everybody? This could be a reversal on NQ. It will be wild, guys. I mean, imagine you wake up in the morning tomorrow and you see the NQ back to 25,000. Well, that would be asking for too much. Well, let's just say we are back to like 24,700, for example. And another 500 points bounce during the intraday cash. That would be wild. All right, guys, I'm gonna look for that little bit of a retest here. High. Looks like we're getting a rejection here, guys. I'm gonna be looking for that rejection here. Try to retest. Try to retest the high. Get a rejection and give me that little flush down. Back into the view up. Holy cappuccino, mochaccino, frappuccino, whatever else you guys want to call it. All right, we are getting a pullback, man. The problem is there's no retest of this freaking levels. I'm gonna look for that retest here. Oh my god, it's gonna go without me now, man. It's just moving so fast. I can't believe, like, it's just moving. It's just moving pretty hard. So okay, we are getting a pullback here into the demand zone, of course. You just get a bounce off this level. I kind of prefer to see, well,
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
yeah, guys, let's try to be a little more aggressive. We'll take a stab. Oh well. I'm trying to go long here. Yeah, this is an eval account, so we'll give it a shot. If it doesn't work out, we'll look to trade this account tomorrow morning. We got all day tomorrow, so I wouldn't be deeply too concerned. Yeah, we're chopping too much though, you know what I mean? We're just chopping so much that it's I don't know if this is a good spot to kind of try to trade literally for any direction. But I took a step. Hold on. I've got 10 contracts. Looks like it wants to give us a pullback. Yeah, let me just exit this trade.
Order filled.
It looks like it wants to dump. Now, let's take a look at the gold. The gold's kind of holding. But what was that big move though? Was it just the Shanghai? Well, it's not even Shanghai. Well, I see. That's Shanghai, guys, man. It was Shanghai open right here. That was the reason it was kind of moving like crazy. Yeah, that was Shanghai. Yeah, I didn't even realize that. I completely forgot. I don't even know. So there we go. We're getting a pullback here. Yeah, so I mean, while a lot of the firms are kind of putting the metals into their restricted what do you call this list, right? So I think Lucid is probably the only one that kind of allows you to trade micro gold and micro silver both right now. So right, even Tradify only allows you to trade gold. I don't know if they restricted gold as well. I'm not sure because I'm not trading gold as much, so I don't know. And China's already done, guys. China's already in 15 minutes ago. Yeah, Shanghai is done. There's no Shanghai anymore. Yeah, Shanghai was done 15 minutes ago, bro. There's no Shanghai here right now. Woo! Yeah, look at the pullback on the NQ and what we are getting a bounce, guys, on the gold. Yeah, it's gonna be tough to trade gold, even with one micro right now. So yeah, I mean, it would have been nice if we actually ended up getting a little bit of a retest here, right here. If we got a retest here and then pulled back, I would have hopped on a short, to be honest, right here. Oh man, what a nasty pullback here down. Yeah, I trade with Top Step. I'm working on their combines now. Yeah, I trade with Top Step. Yep. What do you think about their consistency new rule? I'm not sure. I haven't gone into their new whatever new rules they've got right here. I don't know. I'm not sure what sort of rule they have at the moment.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I placed my hard stop here right at the initial low. We could break at some point. I'm not sure when.
Order filled.
I'm taking
Order
some off
filled.
the table.
Order filled.
Let me just get rid of this drawing, guys, man. These drawings are really annoying.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, down to 4 now. Yeah, I went long from 370-ish area. That's the average. Let's get a little bounce. Yeah, I'll have a I could have. Yeah, I'll have a hard stop here, 370 zone, and look to see if we could actually retest the 440 here, guys. We'll see now. We'll find out in about a few minutes. Oh, really? They have a new rule? I had no idea. So XFA have a new rule. You only need 3 days and consistency 40%. Oh, really, bro? Oh my god. That freaking sucks, man. Yeah, that's bad. Lucid is way better. Lucid has no consistency right now. Oh my god, I'm getting stopped out.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I mean, that sucks, man. There's no way. Yeah, 40%. That's no good, man. That's no good. I didn't know they had consistency. Yeah, probably Lucid is way better. No wonder there's a lot of traders going to list it for sure, man. What the heck was that? Ah, the consistency is a choice. Yeah, there we go. Dan Emmons is right. Yeah. So that's an option. I wonder when you choose that option, once you pass, or I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah, I've been pretty inactive trading top steps, so I'm not sure. I'll take a look. I mean, whatever. Oh, what a pullback here, guys, man. It would have been a nice little shorting opportunity. Oh well, we kind of missed. Oh, I mean, not you guys. I kind of missed. And now I'm looking for another opportunity. We got a little bit of a demand zone here. Oh dear. Where's that drawing? Wow. Let's take a look at the NQ. Yeah, look at that. We got a big fat rejection off that big level, guys, man. That's a huge supply zone, right? A major level, a key level of resistance right in that 440 area.
Order filled.
You know.
Order filled.
It's not looking that great. What if I try to short this thing on a bounce? And that could kind of give me a little bit of a this could be a little bit of a bear head and shoulders, maybe left shoulder neckline, right shoulders, and you know, we end up getting a pullback. Tory traits, what is going on? StockTiger, you have more viewers than My Fund Futures. Is My Fund Futures on right now? Well, it's all thanks to you guys, right? So this could be a bear trap. Yeah, I mean we have to, well, it's obviously indecisive candle here, right? So we get a little bit of a doji candle. This one right here. So this hasn't decided what it wants to do. Yeah, this could be a trap in either direction. So we're gonna have to kind of wait and see how this is gonna close. Wow, man, we got traders trading futures, Bitcoin futures, taking $5,000 a payout. Holy man, that's pretty huge. That's pretty wild. Yeah. It's called Wannabe Lucid. Yeah, I think Lucid is by far the best so far, man. Just also from their pricing standpoint, I like it. You know, I like it. Their pricing is good, and also, you know, their accounts, the flex ones are actually good. I'm surprised that actually Topstep came out with the consistency. One of the reasons why a lot of traders were trading Topstep was because it's without consistency, and now they put a consistency, which I think you're saying it's a choice, but I'm not sure. What does that mean? You either trade for 5 days with no consistency, or and the Topstep, what the price went up to. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think listed is probably the best. Yeah, I don't know how much the top step is. Not true. Or maybe not for an existing account, maybe, right? I don't know. I'm not sure, man. I haven't checked their new rules, so I don't know, but I'm gonna have to take a look and see what's going on there, because I have very limited information right now. I didn't really get a chance to see what adjustments they did. $109. Oh shit. 109. Oh man, I'm not sure. 109. I'm definitely not okay with that. Let me just see if I let me try to load in the account and see what happens. Oh yeah, it went up, guys, man. It went up. Yeah, it's 109 now. Yeah. Yeah, Jack to the T. Yeah, the price went up. Yeah, the price is up. Yeah, for 109, and you plus on top of that, you've got to pay for the tax, right? So I think that's about another $8. So essentially, you're paying about 115 bucks if you include I don't know, whatever it's called, tax or GST, whatever it is. That's a lot of money, man. A lot of money. I don't know. All right, so we are constantly getting rejection here, guys. We could see this thing flush down. Got a little bit of a what do you call this here? We got here, and we got here as well. So this could be a little bit of a bear, what do you call this? Bearish head and shoulders kind of playing out. And then this could take us down. A little bit of a bounce and then take us down. You know what I mean? Something like that. I'll give it a try, guys. I'll give it a try on this bad boy. Right? I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try to pop short this pop and see if we can actually bring it down and retest the low here, guys.
Order filled.
My hard stop would be somewhere in that 415. 415.
Order filled.
And if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. I've got 3 contracts now. Look to see if we can actually get a little push down. I'm kind of seeing a little bit of bearish head and shoulders, but I don't know. But this is on a shorter time frame, so not necessarily it's gonna kind of work out. What is up, man? Patrick in the house, man. Jacked. Oh yeah, 49 with an activation. I don't think that changes, right? So $129 for an express funded account. NS, what is going on, man? Archer, MM, Jimmy Zhang. All right, let's see if we get a pullback here, guys. I was kind of looking for a little bounce into 390 here, and then maybe get a rejection off that level and give us that little flush down. Let's see if this plays out, guys. I may be wrong, but I want to take a step and see what happens on this. I'll have a hard stop, of course. Yeah, I'll have a hard stop. I'll play a hard stop here. 5 contracts, hard stop. Yeah, 4, I would say 415. Hard stop there. Yeah, I've got 3 contracts now. Yeah, this could end up being a bounce too. Yeah. So that's right, yeah. Trade day has 40% off with no activation too. And that's a daily payout too. And they've got intraday and the end of day as well. Trade day. Oh man, this market really has to make up its mind. This could be a little bit of a fake too, for all you know. So, all right, we have a new candle on a 30 minutes chart, and that's gonna kind of have to wait and decide. Get over. If we get over 400, I think this is gonna be very, very bullish, right? I'm really looking for that flush down, to be honest. I don't know if I'm gonna be getting that though. I'm looking for this area to get rejection and give us that little bit of a fake. Come on, give it to me, hon. See?
Order filled.
Let's see, guys. I took a stab. I would love to see a rejection, man. Rejection off that 400 area at most. At most. If this, yeah, this thing could go too. Yeah, I still haven't given up on this thesis, man. Bearish head and shoulders. Give me that little bit of a bounce. Fake everybody out. And give me that big push down back into 300. Yo, let's go. Yeah, I'm still waiting for this thing to kind of play out. It's been pretty slow. Yeah, it's pretty choppy too. Starting to see some signs of weakness here. A little exhausted here, right, too, so we'll see what happens. We are above the VWAP, so Tiger, this is the bad trade. Yeah, we are above the VWAP too. Yeah, you're right. Well, I'll give it a shot, guys. I'll give it a shot.
Order filled.
We're above the VWAP. But I want to kind of wait and see. This could be a nice little gold wants to pop too. Yeah, the gold? No, not really. Gold could be a little bit of a chop, guys, in that 47.70. But it's very volatile though. Gold definitely looks very volatile.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Alright, guys, I've got my hard stop now. Yeah, I guess I was wrong.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it keeps going now. Let's see. Yeah, this is not working out. No, I'll just exit this trade if it ends up getting a pop here. There we go, guys. We're getting a pop. Holy mochaccino.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's it. There goes my hard stop now. Yeah. I don't know, man. So yeah, I don't think this is I don't think this is gonna work out. Yeah, I'll exit that trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, though, but I gave it a try. By the way, what is this? Yeah, this freaking thing keeps going. Yeah, no pullback, eh? No pullback. Ooh! I didn't check my emails, but what do you mean? Then it means did you get an email about getting banned? Me? Why get banned? Hundreds of people are reporting that. I mean, there should be a reason why people are getting banned. Maybe I'm not sure. I've got to check the email. Wow, I requested a payout with Lucid, and they actually ended up paying me. That was pretty quick. hedging one account versus other, no. I mean, yeah, I don't hedge, so I don't have the yeah, I wouldn't imagine myself hedging unless it's a mistake, you know what I mean? Yeah, yeah, I don't hedge, so I don't hedge, so I may be protected on this one. Well, I'll let you guys know if I get banned. For now, I'm okay. Yeah, I'm checking my emails right now, but I don't have any emails. Yeah, are you telling me that people are hedging accounts? That would be really silly, though, right? I mean, why would you want to hedge one account to the other? Well, technically you could, because if you're gonna hedge one account to the other and one long, one short, you lose one account, but that's essentially $100, right? And the other one could be like $20,000 in profits. But I mean, that's the same thing with Take Profit Trader, though. I mean, Take Profit Trader immediately catches you if you are hedging your accounts, no? So I thought Topstep was had, what do you call this, some kind of a tool to kind of find out if you hedged or not. You know what I mean? Take Profit Trader's got one, so if they have the tools to identify traders hedging, why would they do that now when they could have let those traders know a while ago if you were hedging? Man, I should have hedged. I didn't even think about hedging at all. Maybe I should have. Maybe taking $200,000. Yeah, I mean, why would they want to hedge though? That's incredible. Well, they're gonna catch you though immediately, I think, in my opinion. Oh man, look at the squeeze in this, guys, man. Wow, look at the bounce. Maybe we had some kind of a news here, guys. I mean, maybe Iran, the US. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, but so far I did not get any emails though. I'm kind of protected so far, at least. Yeah, no, I didn't get any emails. No, I'm taking a look at it right now. I didn't get any emails. I mean, it's kind of weird that they're sending emails now. Like, I don't understand. Yeah, the market is definitely not easy. Yeah, but look at this balance, man. Oh, they're in trouble? I mean, if they're in trouble, why would they? Well, I guess, I don't know. Maybe people make too much money trading silver and gold, I guess. Hedging. Alright, fellow traders, man. I gotta jump. I thank you guys for being here today. Yeah, the last couple of trades I could have done better. But we gave it a try. It did not kind of work out, so that's fine. We'll look for another day. Hopefully tomorrow is a good day. I will be trading tomorrow live in the morning, so we'll see you guys back tomorrow morning. Again, thank you guys for being here every day. Over 500 viewers still now at this time of the day, so I love you guys, man. Thank you so much, man. It's truly my honor to be live streaming. I wish it was a better couple trades that I had, but it's fine. We'll look to do better tomorrow. And for the winner, just DM me, send me a friend request, and I'll go ahead and take care of your account on Discord, right? So everybody, thank you guys once again, man. Really appreciate you guys being here. We'll see you guys back tomorrow morning. I hope you all trade safe. Pretty wild moves that we are getting right now, guys, man. Just take care of yourself. Protect your accounts, right? Take care. We'll see you guys back tomorrow morning. Everybody have a great rest of the night, guys. God bless. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Take care and peace out, everybody. Adios, amigos.